Most of the time there is a confusion between the use of gallery or data table in Power Apps. So we'll discuss about this in this video. Hi, I am Mohammad Adnan and welcome to my channel Tech 18. Here we discuss a lot about Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate and Power Virtual Agent in future. So if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. So basically there are two options for displaying a list of records, galleries and data tables. Their definitions as per Microsoft document is a gallery is a control that contains other controls and shows a set of data. A data table shows a set of data in a tabular format. So that's it. But when we talk about the pros and cons, here's the one. As the definition above states, it can have other controls inside. It can use to list, edit and create new records. You have the option to arrange the data for each row horizontally from left to right or vertically from top to bottom. There are two options, horizontal with a horizontal scroll bar and vertical with a vertical scroll bar galleries. So flexible height galleries allows for row height to adjust based on row data. A vertical gallery can have more than one column and a horizontal gallery can have more than one row. So this can be achieved using the wrap count property. The default selected record can be specified using the default property. The default property helps in auto scrolling a gallery. You can add a loading spinner just like how you can add one to a screen. So the cons are, there are no headers to designate what each control within a row is for. For this you need to add labels, buttons outside the gallery. For a vertical gallery there is no horizontal scroll bar if the data count fit within the width of the screen. So there is no default text that gets displayed when there is no data within the gallery. So lots of few cons are here. So when you talk about the data table, it comes with headers that can be formatted without adding additional controls like buttons, labels. The no data text property specifies that data to display when there is no data. It provides a horizontal scroll bar if the data cannot fit within the width of the screen. The auto width property of the column allows for the column width to adjust based on the data. That's the pro. When it comes to the con, there is no horizontal data table. You cannot like this. You cannot add controls to the data table because it's just a particular visual. It is particular control. It cannot be used to edit or create new records. There is no default property to specify the default selected record. So when it comes to me, actually for personally, I prefer to go with the gallery instead of data table. So special thanks to Hadid Bhatia for this black